Hi guys, welcome back to my studio, and today I'm going to paint this birch trees in autumn. The colors that I have taken on my palette are black and titanium white, and I will mix them to make a grey color for the base layer of the birch tree. More of white. And let's come to the canvas now. And in a flat brush, I have taken that grey color. Now we will do the base coat of the birch tree, the base layer. We'll make a couple more, giving it friends there. To wipe up that green color that picked it from the grass top. Giving a couple of offshoot here. Now that we'll switch back to the knife and we'll add more of white to the grey. And now we'll go for the second layer of the trunk of the tree. Coming towards the middle to give a round structure to the tree. We'll repeat the same process with all the 3 trees or the other 2 trees as well. Now we will highlight it with white. It's convenient for me to have the light source from this side. So taking titanium white, pure titanium white, I'll be highlighting it. Following the same process with the other 2 trees. Or maybe this one is having a bit of shadow from this tree, so gray shade here. And a little touch of white here and there. Similarly this one. I guess that looks good. Now then, doing the black spots of the tree. The birch trees do have this, they will be in black and white, they look black and white, and they will have black spots or patches all over the tree. So we'll try to create different patches here and there, spots, block or lines. Somewhere it will be like eye-like structure, something like round. Sometimes just lines. These will be random strokes, lines, patches, blocks. Anything you can imagine. You have to just vary them and they shouldn't be repetitive patterns. That's it. You can go on till your satisfaction. Similarly, we'll do cover the other 2 trees as well. And I have completed the 3rd tree also with the random shapes and strokes. And now we'll add a few more branches. I'm taking black with a little bit of white. It doesn't matter, it can be black or you can just make it a little light. So anyway, we'll cover this with leaves so we can live at that. Looks good to me. You can go ahead and add more branches if you want to. So next step is we'll put leaves in the tree. And before putting the leaves, I thought I will highlight this branches a little with white. Just a quick process. And that's it. Now we'll go to leave the tree. To do the leaves of the tree, I have taken sap green along with bright red and cad yellow. So I will start with my 1-inch brush and take sap green in it. Let's go back to the canvas now. From one corner of the brush, and we'll put leaves here and there. And while I have still green on my brush, cover the base of the trees with green. Now taking a bristle flat brush, I will make orange with red and yellow and try to make leaves in autumn. Wiping all the excess paint. Try to give it's not working so well. I'll go back to my 1-inch brush. Yeah, this works better for me. The 1-inch brush leaves a very nice structure of details. That's looking nice. Putting a bit of the leaves which have fallen on the ground. And that's it. Our birch trees are complete. So that is how you do birch trees in autumn. Aren't they beautiful? I just loved painting them. Hope you have liked them too. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy painting. Bye bye.